Senbono C20s. Welcome back, guys. Assalamu alaikum and peace be upon you, and Nija Muhammad with another cool, cheap smartwatch review from Senbono. This is the first time I'm reviewing this brand. Make sure to check my second video where I'm gonna review their other model with a circular display smartwatch style. Anyway, guys, this one is selling, believe it or not, for 27 bucks. I think with a discount coupon you can get it for $25. Really nice rugged design with a super large display, 1.8 inches, 1.8 inches, guys, 280 resolution, HD screen, 7 to 10 days, of course, of usage, 30 days standby time, Bluetooth calling. Of course, it does have heart rate monitoring, all day heart monitoring options. You can connect it with your app on your smartphone, step counter, sleep mode, measure heart rate, measure BP, SpO2, exercise player. A lot of cool stuff, guys. A lot of cool stuff, which is insane what you're gonna get in $27 price tag. Anyway, firstly, we're gonna, of course, do the hands-on, and then we're gonna try to review it with the app included. We'll review also the app of this, of course, smartwatch. Let's go. Here we go. Quickie hands-on with this beautiful Senbono smartwatch. I repeat again, the price tag is very obviously affordable. Smartwatch is just a steal, 27 bucks, maybe even with a discount coupon, if they provide me a discount coupon to lower it to $25, $26. To be honest, I think it's 27.9, so let's just say $28 right now on flash sale promotion, but maybe the Senbono company will send me a special discount coupon for my followers to have maybe $2 down. Why not, man? $2 is still very nice to have off the regular price. Anyway, guys, like see myself here, it has very large display, 1.8 inches. That's a very, very large display, to be honest. Anyway, the sensors on the back, magnetic port on the back, stripes. I love the stripes that it has two double belts, so basically double belts for more secure and for the long usability. Maybe sometimes one belt will completely kind of get destroyed, so you can still have one belt over there. Anyway, check it out. This is the home screen. This is the home screen. I could change also this style. There's plenty of different styles to change. So you're gonna just simply, let me try to go up. You're gonna go to the settings and main grid view. So you can use the grid view or the list view. I think I'm gonna use list view. Let's check this out. Okay. Anyway, so guys, what can I tell you more about it? It does have aluminum alloy ring, while on the back, on the bottom, obviously hard shell plastic. Completely fine for this price tag. I don't expect, man, ceramic body with this smartwatch. It's super cheap. 1.8 inch IPS HD screen. Many different options. So from here you can see myself many already a lot of notifications went through, so you can see myself that notifications work completely fine. Step counter, DNB mode, heart rate sensor, SpO2. What else we have here? We can access the settings. Plus, you can see myself here. We already have weather. We can simply access the weather for up to 6-7 days. I think so. Yeah, 6-7 days. Which is very nice, very nice. From here, you can select different brightness level. This is the maximum, very bright screen. So I repeat again, 30 days ultra long standby, while the regular mode is 7 to 10 days with the normal usage. Of course, 7 if you enable heart rate monitoring for 24 hours, maybe even less than that. GPS sports tracking, it have different sports options. Remember, you can access the sports options. Basically, the fastest is just to click here this back button, and from here we are in the sports mode. You can go down, check it out how detailed this smartwatch is, and I love the UI. I love the frame rate of this display. Obviously it's a 30 fps 30 hertz screen, completely fine, but I just love how smooth it is for this price tag, and I love how detailed it is regarding heart rate sensor, sports modes. Everything, it just looks superb. Exercise mode, measure BP, SpO2, unbelievable, man. That's a lot of stuff here with this one single smartwatch. Yeah, phone off, phone reset, vibration soft. You can even enable the soft or disable the vibration to save on the battery. Theater mode, basically it will drop the brightness down, and the best way to use and to save the battery. What else we have? So we have IP67 waterproofed. How I done that? Wait a minute, what did I do there? Okay, what was that? I wonder what was that. Anyway, so we have IP67 waterproof feature, 24 hours health monitoring, Android. Yeah, I remember, I forgot to mention that you can be used with Android and iOS devices, guys. So you can also have incoming call reminder, multiply app message push. Basically, like it supports apps like SMS, QQ, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, Gmail, all of stuff, man. Seriously, I love that. I love that, and indeed, I didn't have any problems. What I love about it, it's a super light body design, high precision sensor. Display is also one of, let's just say, one of the top 5 reasons to buy the smartwatch for this cheap price. Also, let's check it out. The face, of course, watches. I remember, I repeat again, guys, just in a minute too, I'm gonna move to application review to see what kind of face watches we have. This is very nice. I love this this one. Very simple. IPS HD colorful screen, 240 with a 286. So it has large memory, RAM 256 KB, and ROM 64 megabyte, guys. Yeah. Not bad. So you can store some, of course, notifications, SMS. Remember, this one comes with the hi-fi waterproof speaker. Keep your hands free during sports or driving. It has Bluetooth calling, guys. This is also very important to have. I mean, one of the important aspects for people who want to have something which is handy and just accessible from a distance of your phone. If you leave your phone, I don't know, maybe if you are showering in the toilet and you have your smartwatch in your hands, you can simply answer or disable the phone call with this one, guys. Remember, you have 2 different models: B colored match, remarkable, black style silicone strap, and you have green style silicone strap also. So 2 colors, black and green. Anyway, guys, that should be it. Now let me just put it on my hand. We'll be measuring some heart rate, and then we're gonna move to the application. You know what, let me just do immediately the application for you. This is the application, how it looks like. Check this out. So from here you can see by self steps, sleep counter, heart rate, BP, blood oxygen, outdoor running. From here you can access and see the battery, KRO6 connected, watch faces, notifications. Check this out, guys. All these notifications are available for you with the smartwatch. I love that. Of course, you can access also the camera, which simply works. Click to shutter. There you go. Look how simple that is. Very simple. I love that. We're gonna go back, favorite contacts, others, upgrade. You can upgrade your system if you want to do that, but let's go now with the watch faces. Application itself, it's solid, guys. It's solid. I don't have any problems whatsoever. More watch faces, so we can enter more watch faces. Let's check this out. Okay, I'm having here my internet. Here we go. So I think we have around 100 different styles. I think 100 styles we have, which is again a lot of choices there for you available. If you get bored with one skin, just simply change it. And you know what? We will choose simply maybe something. Let's see what we're gonna choose here for this smartwatch review. Let's check this out. Something maybe. I love this. This one is very nice, very neat. Let's check this out. We're gonna go all the way up. Here, maybe this one. Let's go with this one. We're gonna download. So I think it's gonna take, guys, around 1 minute. 1 minute. It takes 1 minute to download it, install it, synchronize it, and that's it. Stay tuned. There you go, guys. It took me around 1 minute. Took me around 1 minute. Okay, that's also this is a very nice face watch. If you want to have such a large clock, heart rate monitoring, date, and step counter. Everything here. So what do we have? 4 different details. 4 different details. Not bad. So again, we enter here, choose different skin. Let's go with this one. There they go. More details. Beautiful. Anyway, guys, what else I'm gonna show you now? I think let's go now and select here. See the audio player. How the audio player gonna work? Let's find it. Okay, here we go, guys. YouTube. That is so nice, man. Very fast, very quick. Also, I think we can access the volume. Yeah, check it out, guys. You can also access the volume. Go front, go forward, next song, or previous song. Beautiful. Works flawlessly. Works flawlessly. Anyway, for the end, let's go try the heart rate sensor. Very large display, man. Very large display indeed. I have large hands, guys, and I think this is for me. Wow. So guys, since I had that small glitch or small bug, I decided to reboot the smartwatch and of course, turn it on again, and we will be measuring one more time. Let's go. Okay, here we go. We are back. I just rebooted the smartwatch. Let's check it out. Will I have that bug again? Simply, it would swipe the screen by itself, me without touching it. Let's see, will it happen again? So far, so good. BPM is around 90, which is normal, and the sensor is accurate, guys. The sensor is accurate. Still okay. So guys, just reboot the smartwatch. Maybe that happened because, I don't know, maybe the smartwatch was upgraded automatically, or maybe because of the face watch, which I downloaded separately. I'm not sure. Let's go with the measuring of the BP. Just still waiting. Okay, not bad. Completely fine. Everything is fine right now. I don't know what that happened, to be honest. Now it's completely fine. There's no bug, no glitch whatsoever. Anyway, guys, that should be it. It has also AI voice. Unbelievable. Unbelievable it had that option. We have here, please try pairing. You can pair your smartwatch. And because I turn it off, I need to pair it again. Open new workout. So you can select different exercise types. You can see by yourself, you have different wow, sports modes. A lot of them, bro. You're gonna be satisfied. You're gonna be satisfied by this cheap smartwatch. I mean, don't expect, guys, premium quality. This is still $28. $28. The buying links will be in the description if you decide to purchase this Senbono smartwatch. I'll be reviewing next different Senbono smartwatch, which is $33. Yes, it does have slightly better specs. Smaller screen, but slightly better specs. Thank you for watching. Let's go.